Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. It's Monday. We live. What's going on, man? So happy to be back. It's been a good weekend. Finished off the week green with the Green Day on Friday. Spent a lot of time this weekend going over my journal and the replay sim. And got a lot of bad trades out over the weekend. So hopefully we ready to rock and roll today. Got some good stuff gapping up. Energy is lit right now. What up, Trex? 3 Pony. Good morning. Here we go. So, SRM is pretty much number one. The gap is wild. Although, I mean, I don't like all this green the day before, but these aren't like big volume days. So, yeah, man, I think the daily's great. What up, Trey? Trendline Tracy. DWSN, kind of the same looking situation, just basically like a big old blue sky situation here. Let's put a little line right here just in case. That'll probably be our line in the sand right there. And stack. I like stack quite a bit, actually. What is this? 1 million shares on this day at 410. Let's say that's a semi-reasonable level. This high is 450. I think people would think about those levels maybe. I'll just put a couple lines there just to see what happens. What up, Leon? Yeah, the only reason I'm not watching BATL is because of the daily looks retarded. That's literally the only reason. Well, I'm not the only reason, but definitely one of the reasons why daily looks retarded. Yeah, we got SONM also, which has some news. The news seems stupid to me. Like, not something that would make me go run and buy it, but I could see some people wanting to buy it up to 360, which is what the news said. I think there's some kind of deal happening at $3.60 a share. I got zero expectations for this thing. The daily's atrocious. Yeah, the daily's atrocious. And it really already went. Energy sympathy, yeah, for sure. For sure. Nothing really has like fresh catalyst. What is this SRM? SRM either, huh? Is this just another energy stop? Entertainment. Crypto group Tron to go public in US via reverse merger with SRM. Okay. ETC news. Ooh, makes this one even more exciting. Yeah, everything else is selling off right now, and SRM is pumping. See there. I'd say that's a good level to hold off of. Yo, Microdon's trading. Good morning, sir. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me on the way in, please. OP, I still got OP up here on a little side chart tray. But it got to be over 3. I figured out how to write these little text notes on here for such situations. So yeah, we'll see. We got the EMA reset. We got, I actually call this the last high, which is my yellow line. So if I get a higher low on this bad boy, I'll take it. What up, OG? Yeah, man, SRM top watch for sure. For Sheezy. But OP just did that EMA reset after a nice little downtrend from the highs. Yeah, I feel that. But when the gap is this big over the other day, I feel a little more good about it. And we got some, you know, some nice highs over here that we're trying to crack over the top of. I actually don't have any idea what this is. Ocean Pal Incorporated. Sale of Indian protests. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this company is. What does the scanner have it as? Industrials. Nothing. Yeah, I don't know. 540. Do, 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 do. Well, let's see what happens, man. $50, Leon. NNE. Yeah, it just got a lot of highs in the way for me over here. You know, a lot of battles to be fought on this one. Some high volume stuff over here too. It's like a mid cap. I do like the daily though. This narrow range joint right here, that's actually looks really good. Nice buying volume here, super low sell volume. It's creeping up, man. It's creeping up. Look like a good swinger. Yeah, like this could literally be the whole move of the day right here though, you know. But yeah. I used to trade a lot of this type of price action with just like, you know, good technical moves, but is there news on this thing? Like, what's the reason for it to go? It's kind of been my thing. Just like, why is this thing going to outperform any normal day? Okay, we got some news. Points experience communications and capital markets professional as director of nuclear energy too. You might be onto something there, Microdon. Might be onto something there. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Nah, but it got to make the higher high first though. So like now it just made a higher high over that guy. It is looking pretty good though. High 314. This one was 309 and then we broke that. Out of your price range, yeah. Man, SRM is holding up. Still got 5 minutes. 9:45, gang. Man, OP looking interesting, man. Looking really interesting. Bruh. I ain't gonna do it though. BATL. Yeah, NNE got to pull like way back. Like I got so many screenshots of me trading stuff like this where it looks like it did the whole move in the first candle. And then I'm like trying to get a little micro pullback up here, thinking it's going to go another leg up. And it just chops around for a long time. You know. Man, bro, this is like stop under the low, take the high break over that candle. That looks right. Looks right. Right at 5-4. There it is. Damn, there it is, Leon. What you gonna do? Man, a nice little EMA reset too. Got some good support over here. Let's see what happens, man. Good deal. Mm. Man, I really want to take this guy right here. I want to take it, but I shall not. It is below the EMA. It is below the EMA. And it's only 9:42. Maturity is accepting that there are going to be setups that go outside of your criteria, and you have to just accept that they're not for you. You know, it's going to be some stuff that's going to go before 9:45, and it's going to be some stuff that goes after 11, and it's going to be some stuff that goes from below the EMA. You know, and I'm just not going to take it because it's not, you know, according to the strat. That's the hard part. Triangle play on SRM. Yeah, ain't no PM trend line. It's hard. And I don't want this thing to get too much volume underwater though. Scary swim back up to the top. Hey, what's up, Knives? I would say BATL is the closest thing to setting up right now. I mean, there definitely is no high volume like resistance anywhere, but it just looks so ugly. DWSN. Yo, this mug is on an all-out downtrend, bro. All out. balls to the wall. But I do like this volume right here. That could be some ending volume. Super narrow range candle too. The risk to reward on that puppy would be ridiculous. But I mean, this is a pretty serious sell-off going on right here. Pretty serious. Until it's not true. The F is that. Right. The massive downtrend. And it's not downtrending when it starts making higher highs, bro. That's when you know. Yeah. What the F is that? Okay, what's going on here? Little mid pullback here. This looks pretty nice. I ain't gonna hold you. But I ain't buying it. Review and attack. What's up, T-Lo? Yeah, I'm chilling, man. Okay, DWSN, you might. It's got a lot of work to do for me, though. SONM with what is that? Iran-Israel tensions fuel oil rally. Investors are piling in. Okay. This is interesting aside from this nasty sell signal right there. That's why I can't do it. Ew, highest volume of the day. I know, bro. You talking about DWSN or SRM? Man. Dang, that's great news, isn't it, T-Lo? For the win. Put your stop loss at 212 or 210. Dang, what a come up, bro. Awesome, man. Yeah, maybe 208.95. I don't know, bro. D, that's what's up, T-Lo. Sometimes it works out in our favor. Not often, but sometimes. Man. Yeah, you liking it? It's definitely holding, huh? I want to take it over this doji, but I can't. I can't do it. Yeah, that's what's up. Man, it's really hard to not take SRM. Like it looks really good. Like this and then this. Higher, low. 15 look nasty though. 15 looks nasty. I will give you that. That is my reason to not take the trade. The 15 looks disgusting. Bids got melted. D. I told you, bro, that mug is down trending. Down trending. NVTS. Till it wasn't. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy work. NVTS. Maybe for a swing, but as far as intraday, the daily looks atrocious to be trying to day trade it. For me. Low 721. Ooh, look at the SPY over here running up. Are we all time highs yet? No. Daily's right here, dumb dumb. What we need? 613? Yep, 613.23. Okay. Man, if we get over 605.06, that'll be pretty serious. Possibly. Oh man, look at this setup, bro. Yeah, that 15 atrocious though. But if this 15-minute candle closes green and then breaks the high, that's like a whole 10 minutes from now. Yeah, did you get it, Leon? It seemed to do what you wanted it to do, and now it's rolling. Dang, bro. I was scared. Nah, you didn't get it. Yeah, I needed to come back down and reset, man. It's up way high. Uh, Yo, what up, Uncle Paul? Uncle Paul in the house. Yeah, for sure it's okay, man. Missing something is totally fine. uh, totally fine. I wouldn't be surprised if it bounced off 6 and came back to the EMA. Yeah. A, B, C, D. I still don't understand that pattern, bro. I watched like 2 or 3 videos on it and I was like, I don't know. Maybe I didn't watch that much about it, but I remember looking and I was just like, I don't get it. Yeah, I guess I'm retarded. There it goes. Yeah, just carrying from the trend from pre-market, it looked like a really good buy, but it's also extended quite a bit, you know. So it's just better to wait. Yeah, probably won't get a shot on this one. Nice volume coming in. We'll see what happens. I don't see nothing popping right now though. OP is below 250. This is just like way too cheap for my taste. I'm about to take this off. BATL, atrocious 5-minute candle right here. Like it basically got to make a new high over that. It's a high, a low, a lower high, and a higher low. So high, low, lower high, higher low. Okay. So it's like, okay. So it's bouncing around inside the triangle. Yeah, I appreciate it, HH. That was the missing piece, bro. Cause I was finding and catching the winners, but I was also finding and catching the losers. And so if I could just stop catching the losers, we'll be all right. I mean, you know, if you buy it at support, you know, I think it works out pretty well most of the time. It's those resistance buys that get me. Look at the SPY. Market loves war, doesn't it? Dirty rats. It's still early, man. It ain't even 10 o'clock yet, y'all. Still got a whole hour. A whole hour of the trading window for me. For me. Anything can happen. Yeah, it's all garbage. It's all garbage. DWSN, hey, even higher volume candle now. Now that might really be the lower day right there on DWSN. What that looking like? Look at that. Yeah, that mug retake 450. Might have something. Look at that. Look at that. Trendline Treasy. Trendline Treasy. Faux cheesy. Yeah, it's still got to do some work for sure. I need to see. I definitely need a high over 446, and then I needed to come back and hold that level because it's the highest volume candle of the day. What's it gonna be, SRM? Reset or rip? That one is looking saucy, bro. Oh man, that's beautiful. This is the setup I would take on the 5. If this was the 5, I would be nose diving in right now. I would be trying to nose dive in over 551. Or no, 61. What is that? 75. 576. My bad. 576. But if it breaks this low, then I would not be doing anything. 550 is the low. Yeah, SRM. So they need to come down and push it down back to the EMA on yep. All right. See, and that's why I like to wait for the break of the new high to get made, Uncle Paul, so I don't just dive into something that I don't buy a dip that just keeps dipping, you know. And that's also why I trade on the 5. Higher confirmations. Yeah, this is what I was afraid of. This is why I wasn't willing to buy here because it's way up. It's to me it needs to come back down and reset. Uh, yeah, so slapped off pre-market high. We'll see though. It could make a higher low and then go. But I'm hoping for the EMA reset. What up, Jack? Kind of death strokes. Yeah, DWSN is buried right now under all this lovely pre-market volume. But a little short squeeze can change it all. Especially this 15-minute candle closes green. Got 3 minutes for that, buddy. Oh, really? On SRM? Yeah, that joker's down trending. Down, down, down. What we got here? 670 and 610. Man, ain't squeezing nothing. uh, OP, trash. BATL, trash. DWSN, still debating, but most likely trash. Stack, trash. What is this? 144,000 on a 5-minute candle. Trash. SRM coming back down to get me. Come on down. Interesting, HH. Double bottom. You on the 1? No, okay, let's see. This low is 490. 491 over there. I really wanted to come back down here to the EMA though, but I'll settle for a double bottom. Double bottom's not bad. It's over. I like the sellers though, Paul, because then we could squeeze them out. Boy, it's coming. It's coming. Come on, man. Yo, that thing, it got a whole 5. What's it looking like? $100K on the bid. That's a big wall. Oh, it got melted quick. Golly. That thing got that thing. That thing got 100K where? D. We might have us a no trade day here, folks. I don't know though. This 15 is looking mad saucy though. Look at this super high volume, narrow range candle. High of it is 446. All I need is a little high over 446. SONM. I done scratched SONM all the way off. What's going on? Oh, whoa. Ah, dang. AMA reset. Did we get the higher high? That is the higher high. Ooh, good looking out there, Microdime. Let's see what we get here. Let's see if we get a nice little higher low over here for us. Yeah, I feel you. Look at the 15 on SONM, bro. Sleep. Just straight sleep. This the one, the 360, right? I read this one this morning and I thought about you immediately. I was like, this looked like one of them Bootsy catalysts that HH be warning me about. I swear. SRM. Where is it at? Hey, this is what I wanted to see on SRM, though. I've literally been waiting for it to come back down to the EMA this whole time. This whole time. What was that other one? Yeah, SONM about to go. That was the higher low right there. I really spazzed out. I spazzed out. EMA reset. Now we're gonna wait though, because this is really the first high, and there hadn't one been broken. So this is the first higher high. So now we're just waiting for the higher low, man. We get a higher low on SONM. I will jump in, and you know, I definitely think 360. No proof. Is that right? That's funny. So it's garbage. But it's got volume, bro. Volume plus setup equals dollar bills, y'all. Sometimes. 184. Just give me 5 minutes of red. That's all we need is Billy and Blake, man. That's all we need is Billy and Blake. It's popping over here. Not much. The buying is weak with this one. Just need that 446. Yeah, we might have like 30 minutes on SRM before it Appreciate it, HH. We'll see how it goes. You just try to keep things in perspective. I think what was killing me the most was just me expecting everything to go squeeze $5, $10 every trade, you know. But now I'm just really wanting to sell the obvious, you know, levels, the whole dollars, the half dollars, the previous high, pre-market high, high of day, you know. Those are my targets now. And the tighter my entry, the more R's I'll have before hitting those targets. So, and then, you know, save a little bit for the squeeze past all those levels, but also tightening up the stop too, so we don't give it all back. A million sellers. Yo, I'm definitely still looking at SRM. Definitely still in play for me. Um, DWSN definitely is looking kind of tragic, but it did just hella bounce off this trend line, and now we got volume coming in. So I don't know, man. We still got to get back above the EMA. Still need a higher high, higher low. I think we just got the higher high. Barely. Yeah, 455 right there. Oh, look at SONM. Hollering at your boy. It's so cheap though, bro. I really don't be trading in the dollar range at all. Is this a sell signal? That is the question. It's the highest volume of the day. 4 million shares on that candle. What's the one looking like? Bruh, this looks beautiful. Beautiful. SRM looking cool too. Hey, things are starting to turn around, man. DWSN, look at that. Look at that. You bought 478 on SRM. I like that, bro. Let me see here. That's the dippity dip. I don't know, man. That's kind of scary. I think we're gonna have one more. We need some more volume. We need the actual reversal volume. I want to see like a big pop. Something signal the reverse. Reverse. Oh, slow your roll, dog. Slow down, Tito. Slow down. Dang, I want that play. I really want this candle to close red. Got 2.5 minutes. Any news on SBET? That's it. Nah. Nope, not on Yahoo. If Benzinga ain't got it, it ain't out there, bro. So the question is, do I wait for red? Do I still need to wait for red? This is a pullback, though. I mean, it was red most of the candle. But now it's starting to just feel kind of high if I buy it now. That's the thing. It needs to chill, bro. Just chill out, man. It feels like a wide range entry, too. Making exceptions? Because of no red candle. Yeah, you're right, bro. You're right. What's this? But it made a low. It made a low. But yeah, the entry will be garbage. The entry will be at the top of the range now. So can't take that one. Still waiting on that EMA reset over here. Nah, definitely not, Uncle Paul. Definitely not. Definitely not. Dead cat bounce, you say? uh, well, here's the first high. So Rejection. Good Lord. Good Lord. Yeah, this would have been a nice spot, but I totally, when I saw this red candle, I took it off my charts. And it hadn't made a higher high yet either. So I'm good with that. I'm good with that. It could still pull back and give me an entry somewhere. Yeah, yeah. Let's chill and reset, Leon. Chill and reset, bro. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. Woosah. Man, yeah, I'm feeling good, Knives. I'm feeling good, man. I've been in that replay sim all weekend, and I've been seeing trades like this that I will FOMO into. I will get in, and then it will give me a perfect setup afterwards. Sometimes it'll stop me out for it first. Sometimes it, I'll be okay. But yeah, there was no entry. According to my strat, there was nowhere for me to buy it. Yeah, it ain't over yet though, Uncle Paul. That joker make a higher high over here. We might be a different story. Yeah, the 15-minute it definitely activated. It's still red though. You wild, Paul. Y'all ran my guy Dirk away, man. That was my guy. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. I'm very excited about SRM still. And all the people who lost money, they gonna turn into Billy and Blake. They gonna be Billy and Blake once we start breaking back up through the highs. He keeps speaking on the dead. Father's Day was cool, man. I chilled out. Didn't do too much, man. How about you, Jack? You got kiddos? Billy and Blake, those are the people who buy the higher day breakouts that we're trying to sell to. We want to sell to Billy and Blake, not be Billy and Blake. Breakout Billy. Man, HH, everybody was like giving Dirk a hard time because he was making calls. And everybody wanted to see that K info. And you know how it goes. Yeah. Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. It's still, I mean, I'm just liking, like, it's not selling off crazy. When it was doing this, I'm saying to myself, I want it to come back to the EMA, right? That's like my first criteria on my checklist is the EMA reset. So now we're below the EMA. So far, it's walking towards setting up. First step is there. The EMA reset. Now it has to come back above the EMA and make a higher high. So it's still got a lot of work to do. It's still below this trend line. It could very well, I mean, it's probably more than likely that there won't be a trade. But at this point, I still have hope. Yeah, volume decreasing, candles getting narrow. I'm telling you. We'll see. I'm still waiting for this pullback over here on even though we got this highest candle of the day right here. What's the one looking like? That's pretty chill. That's a pretty chill climactic high right there. I mean, I don't think that's anything to be too nervous about. But if we can get another red candle after this, maybe give me an entry around 175. That would be kind of cool. Man, that 15 minute though, that would have been really the entry though, to get in after this two candle pullback and then just take that high. You'd have to sit for a while though. Stick a fork in SRM. We'll see. It's a fork in it now, but if that Joker throws a higher high and breaks this trend line, I'm pulling the fork out. Like, there's absolutely no way I would buy it right now. You know what I mean? So I feel what you're saying, but it has the potential to do exactly what I wanted to do from here. For sure? Nah, come on, bro. Smug's lit. Easy ride up to pre-market high, bro. I just need one more red candle down here. Down here, please. Yeah, down here. Come on. Come on down. Come on. I don't think it's gonna happen. This is a 3-bar play right here on Hey Leon, this is the 3-bar play. Well, not really though. The 3-bar play, the high candle is supposed to be the first or second green. So this would be disqualified because of that. But it's kind of the idea where you get a big move up over resistance and then you get a resting candle and then you buy the break. She looked great. I wish I could have got an entry down here, man. If this candle stayed red and closed, I would have been in there like swimwear, bro. But you know, that's how it be. Yeah, I don't know, bro. This one's not looking too great. What's the low? 329. It's just so much underwater now. But this is, I mean, this is a pretty significant amount of volume right here. This is 2 million shares. This looks gooch. We will see, Uncle Paul. We will see. We got 42 minutes left in the session. A lot can happen. OP over here playing with the trend line, but it's so far underwater, bro. It can't even think about it. Yeah. Look at that little buying volume coming in here. It can happen. See, even with this though, this is still high. So I mean, it really hasn't technically pulled back yet. I mean, you got a little resting candle there, but I mean, this is definitely a pullback. This was it on the one. I know, man. It's just gone though. I ain't buying it way up there. Oh snap! There we go, Jack. Back in the game. Watch, Jack. Where you get in, Jack? Watch, he gonna be like 117.37. What's your average, Jack? What is it, Jack? 118. Okay, okay, okay. You got this dip right here. Super righteous dip for sure. Yeah, this would have been pretty scary to buy that one. That's super nice, bro. Straight sniper as usual. Good to see you back in action. Look at SRM. I'm telling you, Uncle Paul, we about to party on SRM, bro. Yeah, man. I'm happy for you, bro. I had a 7-day losing streak the last, was it this month? Last month? The beginning of this month? End of last month? I think it was both. And that was pretty rough. I thought I was beyond that. Like, I didn't think that was possible to have 7 days in a row of piss poor performance, but it's possible. It can still happen. Can still happen. If you take bad trades, you will lose money. Like there's no there's no level that you can get to where you can take bad trades and make money. Like, I mean, you know what I mean? Yeah, bro, it sucks. I was like, dude, what happened? Like, was last month just like a miraculous coincidence? Like, but only had 2 red days last week, and I think they were managed pretty well. Closed green last week, and I think we're getting some momentum back. You talking about SRM? Yeah, yeah. I would consider. I just need to see. Let me see a high down here for us to, because the last high is way up here. So looking for that next high. Yeah, I put VWAP. I was going through my journal yesterday, and I put VWAP on the charts for a few of them. But just having that one extra line on the chart was just like, I did not like it. It's already too many variables that I have to consider. I mean, the volume, support and resistance. Then I got my pre-market trend line, and descending trend line in the open, volume, and yeah. A lot of systems are pretty much different ways of looking at the same thing happen. Sellers selling the lows. I like this 2 candle pullback here. Very light on the volume, but still need a high over 495, 496. That's a nice candle on SRM though. That's pretty nice. I'm saying, what, Trey? It's still like it. Yeah, me too, bro. It ain't how to play at all. Unless your name Uncle Paul. We'll see though. I've been calibrating your calls, Uncle Paul. You definitely spot a lot of trash that I don't see. I'll definitely concede to that for sure. For sure. Yo, this might be it. Yo. All right, here's the high, which is this what I need a higher high over to consider. Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, I think it's riding the trend line down now. Well, I mean, it's always been doing that, but that seems to be the play there. Still got 30 minutes left, man. Yeah, I was very surprised to hear about that trade there, Leon. Look at this thing giving me what I want. Man, I ain't gonna make it. What is that? 214. Come on, bro. You can't break $2, bro. You need to come down here and test 184 and then close at like 197, 198. Because if it closes up too high, it'll be a high day breakout. I'm definitely not taking that. SRM's looking better and better and better and better and better. With this trend line break, bro, I really almost just want to put the stop under the low and take the break of the high. I think. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for the break and pull back. Damn, this thing got to sit here for literally 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Yeah, I got slapped up doing that so many times in the replay sim over the weekend, bro. I was just like, just wait, man. Like buying early and then waiting for it to set up and then it getting rejected and like, damn, if I would have waited for the setup, I wouldn't have been in the trade. Or another situation, buying it and then getting a better entry after it sets up. I'm like, dang, if I would have waited, I would have got an even better entry and not had to sit through this red. So it's just the strategy is just proving itself to me over and over and over and over and over again. Damn, there's a trend line break. You about to take the trend line break though, ain't you, Trey? I know you are. You probably in there right now. That's the move. That's the super tight risk to reward entry right there. Too close to VWAP. Yeah. That's a nice T trend line break. But we gonna wait. We gonna wait for that A plus 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 setup. Plus plus plus. Yeah, I feel you. Hey, y'all hit the like. Got 39 people in here. What's up, y'all? Good day. Good morning. Thanks for coming to hang out. Nothing but good vibes up in here. Ah. Yeah, buddy. This thing is looking real nice. I don't know. 15 is kind of scaring me, though. They pulled back so far. Man, I appreciate it, Uncle Paul. Yo, it's looking kind of interesting over here, too. Look at that trend line break potential setup there. Yeah, she's way under $3, though. Ah. I hope I get rewarded for not taking this break right here. I need some good reinforcement for my patience today. Yeah, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. If we can just hold, if we can close up as a doji, yeah, I'm definitely about to take this. Break over the high. I'm in there. Low 183, so I'll go 181. Lower. Sometimes it dips low and then rips though. The 15 just made a new low though. That's not good. That part's not good. Yeah. Look at this sell signal too. Can't really get in right now. What's it looking like? SRM? Cause I'm waiting for the higher high, bro. Like we just made the first higher high, and now I'm waiting for the pullback. So it's setting up. It's definitely setting up. I'm just waiting for the pullback. Yeah, I kind of want to take these breaks of the EMA like this, because if it makes the higher high as it breaks the previous high and the trend line, it feels like, a great spot to enter, but it's still downtrending until it starts making higher highs. And even after the higher high, it still has to make a higher low to complete, the two ingredients of the uptrend. And I cheat sometimes and be like, okay, it doesn't have the higher high, but it has the higher low, or it doesn't have the higher low, but I took the higher high, you know. Yeah, that 15 minute break right there just killed SONM for sure. Um, Sadly. Yeah, I think SRM looks great, especially the 15. We got this 15-minute candle close green, and then we already broke the high of it. So this is just a pullback, yo. Let's see what happens if this thing can. I don't know what to wait for on this, because this is a red candle that made the higher high. I can just take that. Man, this is really good to go. Over 507. Let's see if it'll wait on us. I mean, but how do I even need a whole new one now? Yeah. I think I might have to do this one, y'all. Might have to. Bro, look at the one, man. It's gonna go over 507. I kind of hope we get one more 5 minute candle first, though. Look at the volume on SONM, yo. 2 million on this candle.
Order filled.
$191. 15 cent, 16 cent risk. Yeah, I ain't playing no games with it, Uncle Paul. I'm looking for a pop. I'm looking for a big pop through too. Look at the 15 looking saucy, bro. There's two. Come on, baby. We got some shares sitting there. Ooh, we got some shares sitting there at two. There's two. There's two. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get them up there, Bugs. Get them up there, Bugs. Yo, where's my stop? Oh, you know what? My stupid. That's dangerous. I can't have my order in at the same time as my stop. I forgot that. Dang nabbit. I really dislike that about oh no. Oh no.
Order filled.
Dude, good looking out, OG. Been waiting on this damn thing all morning. Almost missed the setup. All right, now we got some stress because I got two stocks at the same time. All right, I want 211 on SONM and I want. Ooh, I mean, realistically, $6. What's this? 576. Yo, OP about to break the trend line. What is going on here? Ooh, that's nasty. Come on, baby. Which one's going first, yo?
Order filled.
Love it. Stop to break even. Let's see where we go from here. What's going on over here, man? Bunch of bootsiness. Yes, sir. Oh, my bad, Bugs. You did your job. Good job, Bugs. Well done, sir. Count that up for me, please. All right, SONM. What is going on with you? Trying to make me look bad in front of HH and Uncle Paul? I see what we're doing. Oh, that 15 look nasty. What's this low? Ugh. Yeah, seems, I mean, it's about to cut it for me, unfortunately. So, I guess we over here. Appreciate it, Uncle Paul. I tell you, I ain't playing with this take profit no more. I need that. I need that.
Order filled.
Can't just sit there. AMD said touch paint. Hey, look at OP just broke that trend line. That looked pretty solid too. Nice little lower day. Little boop, boop, boop. Uh-oh. We got a little double bottom trend stop loss tiptoe. Where do I put my stop on the 5? Down here, right? Yeah. One almost got me twisted. Yeah, for sure. I'll just keep it at break even. I got enough to cover my SONM loss at the very least, you know, if I get stopped out over there, but it looks okay. Maybe not. Yeah, man, they killing me. Ah, man, it's about to be over with. Got some stuff right here. 177. Melted. Big volume candle. Can that be the low? Is this the low? Come on, man. You could totally be the low. I need to stop worrying about that because there's nothing for me to do. There's nothing for me to do but watch it stop out. And meanwhile, I got profit to take over here. So I'm going to stay over here for now. All right, Jack. Thanks for hanging out, man. Hit that like button for me if you have not, kind sir. Appreciate you. Uh-oh. Stop loss placement is key, folks. Stop loss placement is key. The stop goes under the support. That way, when the sellers try to ruin your position, you got support there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Appreciate you, Trey. Trey always keeping me grounded. They will stop you to the penny too, I know. And then go. I started putting 2 cents between my stop now, just for that extra little sign. All right, what we doing now? What we doing now? We still taking a quarter off. Ooh, if we can get back over 205. I know, it's super close. I'm over here sweating. Over here sweating, bro. Uh-oh, SRM going too. They both going. SRM got some time. This the one right now. Come on, 205. Come on, baby. You can do it. I didn't even think about how the targets don't really work well, Trey, because of the stupid short sale restriction. You can't put stop loss and take profit orders out at the same time. It's so stupid. I really can't believe that it's the problem. It's like total waste of time. Well, at least I can have the order loaded, and then once it gets close, I can slap it out there, I guess. I was hoping for a little more automation though. Here we go. Come on, man. Come on, man. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna... I really like what I'm seeing on the 15 though. This 15-minute candle closes green and we break. I mean, hopefully I'm out of there before this 15-minute candle closes. It's talking about 10 minutes from now. But I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing over here too. If we get a new high over this candle, I can bring my stop up to here and that'll be nice. And I kind of feel like I need to sell again through this high, but I don't really want to. It's kind of a waste. But if it gets rejected there, then I'll be happy that I sold there, you know? 588 is what I need. 589 is what I need to move my stop up some more. Or I could do it now. But now we ain't gonna do that. What's this low? 517. Yeah, stop at break even. That's cool. It's a nice candle. Back over 205 is what we need, man. Oh, that's scary. Anyway. Round two. I think half off at 7 is a reasonable next target. Clean. Come on, give me 590. Come on, 590. There's 89. There we go. Straight like that. Stop under that low. Come on, let's give me 7, man. Give me 7. That's 3-bar flat. Nah, but it's supposed to be a flat top, though. They should all be right up underneath the high. This is just like a buy setup right here. Bruh. The most lagging. Yeah. Ooh, we're gonna squeeze them if we get over it, though. Fresh squeeze Billy. Aww.
Order filled.
All right. All out of SRM. Womp womp. Ah, don't do me like that. Your turn? That would be cool. That would be super cool. Oh boy. Yo, the 15, yo. A lot can change quickly, though. That's a lot of time in that candle. Just waiting for that 205, man. 206. Dang. SONM's gonna ruin my day. No, it ain't gonna ruin it. If I stop out, I'll still be green on the day. It'll be all right. I'll feel good that I traded my strategy. You know? It's definitely got the volume. Intraday setup. The daily's not great, but there's no volume in this range at all, so it's not terrible. Did it go up? Cold world. Cold world. Oh, now it looks interesting. Yeah, man. It's got the volume. It's doing the setup. Got to take it, bro. Not how you gonna say it didn't work? I bought it when it literally picture perfect setup for me, and I got two really nice fills and stopped out in the money. This thing is a hater, bruh. Literally stopped me out. I had my stop at 39 and stopped me out at 36. Should have just left it alone, man. Nah, no, I did the right thing. I did the right thing. I be letting it come down to break even a lot, and it bothers me. So it's cool. It would just be really cool if SONM went also. Yeah, that sucks, man. I mean, this is literally my setup though, bro. I don't really understand. I can show you screenshot after screenshot. Like, bro, look at the 15. It's not dead in the water, bro. It's literally a higher high, higher low above the EMA. This is an uptrend, bro. You wildin', Uncle Paul. You wildin', and I'm mad that I got out too darn early. Mm-mm-mm. I could have let this candle close before I moved my stop up. Maybe I'll do that next time. Let the candle close that breaks the high. That gives me permission to move my stop up. Let it close. Yeah. Mm. I think I just see something you don't see, Uncle Paul. Because I got a way better entry than you. You talking about buying it up here. I got it in down here, bro. $5. $5. All right, man. I'll show you better than I could tell you. Big facts. Big facts. Yeah. I thought that was gonna be me for sure. Till we got this nice little SRM setup, aka dead in the water. Bro, there's so many good things happening here. You got the trend line break. We got moving up on the EMA, higher low on the 15. I don't get it. Yeah, it be like that sometimes, man. The reversion to the mean. No doubt. No doubt. Yeah, and I mean this is I go through my journal and I look at my bad trades and I'm like, man, if I could just cut these out. But like the truth is, this is performance based. It's like trying to have 100% free throw percentage. It's just not possible. Like you can be really good at shooting free throws, but you're just gonna miss sometimes, you know, and it's your fault, But it's just part of the game. You calculate that in, get back in the gym, come back tomorrow, shoot them again. Yeah, for sure. And I'm sure he felt the miss as soon as it left his wrist. Hey man, I let that one, I got away from me a little bit. My bad. It just happens. Just happens. But the replay sim, man, game changer, bro. Game changer. I had this one stock I was replaying in the sim. I replayed it 3 or 4 times and kept making the same trade. It was like the same 2 trades I kept taking on it. And I was like, it just kept making sense. Because I was like, I wasn't trying to memorize the chart, but I was just trying to play the price action. I would restart it and play the price action back again. And I literally just kept making the same mistake. And I kept doing it until I didn't make the mistake anymore. Golly, man, this thing it's doing nothing. I don't. Now I'm scared that it's just gonna flush. Yeah, I've been straight trying to Mamba mentality to this joint knives. Just like every moment I get, I'm taking sim trades, trying to tighten up. I just don't know what this is about to do. I'm scared of the rip, honestly. To this is when these jokers rip down. It's gonna rip somewhere. I feel it coming. Yeah, you're right. This 15-minute candle is really it. It's it. If it breaks below, it's over with. But if we break above, we could really have some fun. I still have a little bit left. I just can't, bro. If I drag my stop up and exit this trade and then it goes without stopping me out, like, do you know how upset I would be? Like, literally putting a stick into my wheel spokes and tripping and crashing. You know, this where that trading in the zone by Mark. Damn, what's his name? By Mark always echoes in my head about accepting the risk of the trade. Like once you put the trade out there, you accept it and let it play out. I got my stop where it's supposed to be. If it breaks that stop, the trade's broken. If it doesn't break the stop, then we're still good. Mark Douglas. Yeah, my bad. I was about to say Mark Wahlberg. But like, and if I hold and it stops me out, I know I did what I was supposed to do. If I hold and it goes, like I'll be so proud of myself, you know? So we'll just see what happens. I really wish I got more out of SRM though. That's for sure. Yeah, that is a cool movie. Man, I ain't seen that movie since I think the first time I saw it. Hey, look, at least SRM didn't go crazy without me. Not yet anyway. This might be the higher low right here. Second entry? No. Wow. Did you see those shares sitting at 179? There they go. Is it gonna melt or do we rise? Back to 79, back to 80. Ooh.
Order filled.
Womp womp. Womp womp. Yeah, I think I could have cut it after this candle right here if I was gonna cut it. But yeah, they sure were. Really, actually, a high setup. Like, yeah. And after the sell signal, too. That was my bad. It just didn't look that climactic. So I thought it was okay, and the selling was really soft after the top. So I thought it looked decent. But this is actually a pretty big move away from the EMA and then a pull back to it. I wish I got in down here. This candle just needed to, I don't know. Actually, I could have got in down there. Usually I'll put a high over this opening candle and that'll be my first high. But it didn't really hold it either. Yeah. Yeah, which one of these did I get in first? SRM or let's see, 1035, 1035, same 5-minute candle. 1.63R, that's kind of garbage. That should have been a 2R winner for sure. Where'd I get in at? What was this? 515 by 483. I think I did 481. $0.34 stop. Two R was 583. got up to 640. Hmm. Yeah. Damn, that's almost 4R up there. That's almost 4R. Definitely should have got some off on this second pop up there too. Oh, I was already out by then. Never mind. Never mind. But if I was in it, damn. Just move that stop up too early, bro. I really want to take it right now. Uh, that's okay though. That's okay though. Catalyst. Yeah, I actually deleted this a while ago too. Put it back on there. I also really like the ones that are not super cheap, bro. I actually changed my price filter on my scanner to 250 instead of $2 because I really want the $3 joints, $3 or higher. The $2 ones just seem to, I don't know. I just haven't had that great a time with them lately. It seems like could be in my head, but the more expensive ones seem to have better follow through, better range on the moves. Excuse me. Yeah, exactly, exactly. So yeah, that was avoidable, but such is life. Man, I'm sad I didn't get more R's off of this thing. Holding a little bit too much for the dream. That was a huge squeeze. Hmm. I gotta plan out my take profits a little more. That shouldn't be able to happen. I shouldn't get. I mean, this fill was excellent, but I didn't sell enough. I think I sold half here and a quarter there. It's about to go again, yo. This 15-minute candle. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, this thing's super solid. This would have been a nice entry. Actually, this was the nice entry. Ah, yeah. Uh, I had my final watch list was supposed to be SRM, DWSN, and Stack. And DWSN and Stack did nothing. SRM did everything I needed it to do. And yeah, could have definitely done without SONM. Nah, I'm not doing it, bro. I'm over it, bro. I'm over the extracurricular activities, going past max loss, trading outside of my window, all of that stuff. RGC. This is just a halt fest, huh? Clearly. I spent a little window of time trading halts. You get halt alerts from that website, and you can get in on that first halt, catch a couple halts up. uh, Me and his brother used to do that, man. There's so many ways to approach the market. Some better than others. Yeah, it's going, man. It's going. So sad to be stopped out of this trade. We would have been rocking and rolling this whole time, bro. Hopefully I would have got another quarter off up here, and then I'd be stop up to here by now. Ah, you know what? I tripped. My rule for moving up the stop is not for the next candle to make a new high, but a new high of day. Like a new high over the previous high. So stop should have definitely been to break even until this peak. And at that peak, over this peak, then I can move my stop up. Damn, I messed it up. I messed it up. Right here. It's right here. Stop stays under entry candle until new higher low plus higher high. So this was the higher low, and then that's the higher high, and that's when I can move my stop up. Yeah. Breakdown in process, man. We were still supposed to be in this trade, milking it. Moose, I move. It's okay though. It's okay though. Oh yeah, that's HH always talking about. HH said he don't even trade on Mondays because of that reason. Because all the traders who were studying up over the weekend and coming in on Monday excited. That's funny. Dang, man. All right. Well, good day, good green day. Definitely one of the things that trips me up consistently is just trading crap. And like my guy HH was screaming at the top of his lungs the whole stream, Catalyst is trash. And I mean, it was way under the price range. I mean, under $1, bro. I was wilding. I'm not even putting anything up on my watch anymore if it's not above $3. Straight like that. Straight like that. But yeah, that's my bad. That's my bad. But at the same time, if I would have used this first high of day on the opening candle as a high, I think I probably would have got in right there. And we would have been gravy. I don't like this. I don't like this trade after it moves away from the EMA and then comes back. Because to me, it's got to come back and reset, which is exactly what it did. It downtrended back to the reset. So this was the reset, and this is where I got to enter at. It's just hard when you're trying to wait for confirmation. And yeah, I just kind of slipped up on a couple things. Watching a lot of things at one time. Yep. But it's nice to learn lessons on a green day. So I'm going to take my green lessons and go hit the gym. And then I'll come back, get in the replay sim. And actually, no. I'm going to do my review video first. Yeah. And then I'm going to chop up a short for SRM. And then I'll go to the gym. And then when I come back, I'll get in the replay sim for a couple hours. And come back ready for war tomorrow, baby. Anyway, man, thanks for hanging out. It was a great time. Shout out all my regulars. Shout out all the new guys. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And y'all be safe out here, man. Catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.